Hello, I'm Vasco. Thank you very much for watching my fingerstyle arrangement of Light My Fire by The Doors. If you'd like to learn this with me, there is a step-by-step video tutorial which you can find in the link in the description on my website. Also there you can find the printable tabs, interactive tabs which you can watch on your device and slow them down, loop certain sections, and I think this is the fastest way to really work through the complicated parts of any song, and this one too, of course. So, if you want to check the link in the description, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and you'll see me on the next one. Goodbye.